Another type of proxy is a reverse proxy. In this scenario, we could have a user over here. We have a web server over there. When we go online to web servers, we don't know the infrastructure in place. The PC user over here is making a request to the web server. But unknowing to the PC user, there could be another device here, which is the proxy. In this case, this proxy is called a reverse proxy. Why? Because this proxy is set up to protect that server. This is what happens when we use a reverse proxy. If a user sends a request to the server, the request gets to the proxy first. If that request is legitimate, the proxy would allow the request get to the server. If that request is malicious, the proxy will block the traffic from going through. This way, protecting the server. So if the request is legitimate, it will allow the request go through. If the request is malicious, the proxy knows to block that traffic. It would also inspect all outgoing traffic from the server. If the request is legitimate, the proxy knows to let it back. However, if the request is malicious, the proxy knows to deny that traffic. So this is how we implement reverse proxy. Reverse proxies are set up to defend the web servers.